Hey y'all, it's Chelsea. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some tie-dye, but it's not any regular tie-dye. We're going to be using tie-dye that's 100 years old. And as you can see, it has the old Rit label, and it's also coming off a little bit, but you can tell that it looks pretty vintage. So this tie-dye is from the 1920s, and you're probably wondering how I came across some tie-dye that's from the 1920s. Well, the house that I live in, it was built around the 1920s. So one day my mom was cleaning out the basement and she found this old Rit bottle. So in today's video, we're going to be testing out if 100-year-old tie-dye still works. So let's get into this video.
One hour later.
I'm back at the end of this video just to say that the tie-dye shirt did work. Honestly, I was super excited about it working because I didn't think that 100-year-old tie-dye could absorb as well as it did into this shirt, but it did. But yeah, the shirt is really cute, and I used the color navy blue, and honestly I thought that it would be a little bit darker. I didn't know if color distortion was a part of the age process of tie-dye, but it still came out navy blue and I loved it. Well, that's the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe.